In a nutshell, what is Video Jeet? Do you know that Google handles video content differently from routine blogs? If you have a video and an article written for a niche, the chances of a video popping up on the landing page are higher. This means you will have to find videos matching your content posted on your blog time and again, so that your blog can rank. Video Jeet can do just this for you, but without you. Who is Video Jeet for? This plugin is literally for anyone who wants to start ranking on Google, which I am sure pretty much includes everyone. If you try to achieve this the standard way with content, keywords and SEO, it can take you a long time, or worse, you may just never be able to make it at all to the Google SERP. I am not even bothering to get into more intricacies as to who needs Video Jeet. No matter what your occupation, you need it. Growth and expansion in this era is only possible if you have adequate digital footprints. 3 things I love about Video Jeet. The first best thing about this tool is that you don't have to shell out a penny. This tool works with popular free blogging sites such as Blogger, Tumblr, WordPress, and Livejournal. All you need to do is set up your blog these free platforms, and Video Jeet will run them at no additional cost. The second best part is Video Jeet's breakthrough technology that makes it a one-push-button solution. All you need to do is give it your niche keywords, and it will get to work. Everything is done on auto. With fresh video content being posted again and again, you are sure to rank on Google. Finally, the best of it all is that this tool actually pings Google after it's done with the posting. How cool is that? Had it not been for Video Jeet, I would have not even known such an option to ping search engine exists. What will I get inside Video Jeet? Researchers believe that soon about 80% of traffic on the internet will be from video blogs. Let Video Jeet do all the hard work for you day after day. Here is what it will do. Automatically finds fresh videos as per your niche and posts them to your blogs. Automatically pings search engines in posts on social media. Automatically converts the keywords targeted by YouTube videos to hashtags when it posts to Facebook and Twitter. Supports spin text. It will generate multiple versions of your call to actions and textual content that you put in. Schedules post as per interval you set, and it will do the rest. You have manual control to modify descriptions, titles, keywords as you desire. Uses authorized APIs to make posts, letting you work with any theme or setup for your blogs. Any drawbacks to Video Jeet? Now this is a question you can answer. I have tried this tool and have seen exponential growth in traffic to my blogs. Try as I may, I could not find anything wrong with this tool. Right from having the right permissions to seamless performance, this tool is flawless. In fact, Cyril has always been so confident of his products that he actually gives you a money-back guarantee. Still wondering? Try it for yourself. There is nothing to lose. Final thoughts on Video Jeet. Capitalize on the big search loophole that converts videos into website content and gets you rankings automatically. The internet is full of rich video content. People are sweating it out to get on top of search engines and trying to develop the best of video. Now with Video Jeet you can make use of all this content and propel your blog on the Google search engine. This is a path-breaking universal tool that actually makes others work for you while you chill out at some nice resort. Get Video Jeet through this link today.